Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we will create a mystical ship, using Luminar 4. I have opened the image in Photoshop, and will run the Luminar as a filter here, but you can open the photo also in the standalone Luminar app. So let's select the filter and go to Luminar 4. Now go to the Creative tab, and select AI Sky Replacement. Here I will select one of the default automatic skies. Let's edit the horizon position if needed. We can slightly tune up the horizon blending, then use the Relight the Scene slider. This will blend the newly replaced sky with the rest of the scene. Use the Close Gap slider for restoring the small details covered by the new sky. Let's switch to the Essential tab. Here I will enhance the exposure and increase the light in the shadows. Now use the artificial intelligence enhancements and improve the AI structure. I will now enhance the colors in more detail. Select color and go to Advanced Settings. My goal here is to make the scene more compatible with the sky. The main area is covered by water. I want to make my water darker and less saturated. I also want to enhance the colors of the ship. Let me now enhance the details. When you are increasing the details, you increase the grain at the same time. That is mainly present in the sky. So let's denoise the photo to get rid of the grain. Now we use the Landscape Enhancer. The dehaze function will help us to make the sky even more dramatic. The golden hour slider will bring warmth, and the foliage enhancer helps us increase the saturation of foliage, trees, and bushes. Now we will create a subtle vignette effect. Let's move to the Pro tab and make further enhancements. Select Color Enhancer and increase the brilliance, warmth and the color contrast. I want to brighten the ship, so let's create a new adjustment layer. Increase exposure. Use the mask tool to mask the exposure enhancement only to a part of the image, the ship. Create a stamp layer. It is the new merged layer containing all editing done so far. Let's make further subtle settings. We are done now. Let's check the before-after view. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, please give it a like and press the subscribe button.